guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome if you're new. Make sure to like, subscribe, and let's get right into the video. And happy New Year's Eve, by the way. This is the nail inspo for today. I thought that was really cute. It might not be like completely New Year's Eve set, but I was looking online and I just couldn't find any nail sets I liked, like for an inspiration. So I thought that was really cute, and I will be reading it. At least I will be trying, because it looks like she used like maybe an airbrush or ombre the nail, and I don't have an airbrush, and I never like ombre or kind of like aurora nail maybe did that, especially like with a French tip. So let's see how this will go. Anyways, what we're gonna be needing for this nail set is a nude polygel, rhinestone glue, blooming gel, some chrome powder, different gel polish. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use these colors, but that's what I picked for right now. Like a sponge. I don't have like a you know, like the sponge that they have usually, like the white ones. So I just took a makeup sponge, a beauty blender, and I'm just gonna try to do the ombre or slash aurora effect that way and see if that will work out. And yeah, so I will be using long hair pretty nails tips today, and I already sized them out. So, and I'm gonna be putting on a peel off base coat real quick, and I'll be back. Also, I already did my nail prep. So in my last video I did like kind of a detailed nail prep. If you're curious to see how I do them, go check out my last video. Peel off base coat is on. Now I'm gonna be putting on the nail tips, and I will be using a base coat to put them on. Alright, nail tips are on, and now I'm just gonna be cutting them down a little bit. I want them to be long, but not that long. And the reason why I'm doing a peel off base coat is because I'm not gonna like keep these nails on for too long. So if you want your nails to last, don't do that, and put on some primer in the hydrator. All right, and now I'm just gonna take away the shine from the nail tips. By the way, I've been loving these magnets. They're so helpful. All right, now I'm gonna be applying a layer of base coat to all of my nails. I tried to like do these little C curves into my nails, but I had to do it off camera because my nail tips were like keep popping off. This peel off base coat works a little bit too good. If you're curious, I'm just putting like a dot of cuticle oil on, and then just go over with some top coat, and that's pretty much my peel off base coat. Works pretty good. Base coat is on. Let's start with the polygel application. I'm almost out with this bottle, and I already know it's gonna be such a pain working with this, because like I feel like every time you're almost done with the polygel, it just creates so much air bubbles. But you know, I want to use that because I don't want to waste like the polygel I still have in there, so I just have to deal with it. But yeah, you guys, I can't believe it's almost 2024. I feel like this year went by so quick, and for some reason this year I feel like my brain couldn't even process that Christmas is already over. Like, it came so fast and it ended so fast too. I don't know if that makes sense, but like, I don't know, Christmas this year felt different for me. Usually do like 2 bead methods, but I put too much polygel on, so I'm just gonna try to do a 1 bead method. I'm not really good with like a 1 bead method because I feel like it's so hard for me to build my apex. because you see how flat that is. So I'm just gonna try to drag everything to the front, take off the excess, and put more polygel on. For my slip solution, I'm using 91% alcohol. I haven't used like this polygel in a while, and I know I started off with like doing polygel videos, but I've been really liking to work with Gel X lately. I hope you guys don't mind that I've been doing a few Gel X videos instead of polygel videos, but I'm trying to like switch it up between Gel X and polygel, because yeah, it's just like so easy, quick, and fun to do. And with my spatula, I'm taking off the excess. With long nails like this, you have to keep like checking your cuticle area, because sometimes it floats on the skin. You want to make sure to clean this up, otherwise your nail won't last. That's also like one reason I like to do like the 2-beat method. It gives you more time to pat the polygel face in the front and then just focus on the cuticle area. Alright, I'm gonna have to do 2 beats because this nail is like super flat here, so I'm gonna have to add some more polygel to my apex. I will be curing this now for 60 seconds in my nail lamp. Alright, and now I'm just gonna apply a second bead. Like I said, the nail is pretty flat, so I need to build more of an apex. But yeah, I hope you guys had a great holiday and got to spend time with family or friends or whatever you guys did. I hope you guys had a great time. I've been like staying at home for the past few years. Like, I've been asleep before even the new year started. So I'm probably not gonna be doing anything this year either. I'm just gonna go to bed. I might stay up for midnight, look at some fireworks, but that's it. Like, my neighborhood is usually really quiet, so it's not much going on. If I would want to watch like some fireworks, I would have to drive a little bit, but you know, I'm probably not gonna do that, and honestly it's not that important to me. But yeah, let me know what you guys do. Are you guys like celebrating, going to party or whatever? I used to like go out a lot of times to like clubs, but now that I've gotten older, I enjoy like sitting at home more, especially if you have like a toddler at home. You have to get up in the morning no matter what. So I'd rather be rested than not feeling good all day. Alright, all the polygel is laid, and now I'm gonna reshape the nails. Right, nails have been shaped, filed, and buffed, and I want to start with the chrome powder. I'm gonna apply a layer of top coat to this nail. And without wiping off the sticky layer, you're just gonna apply your chrome powder on top of it. Okay, so pretty. And with the same top coat, I'm just gonna go over it. Alright, moving on to the 3D effect. I'm gonna be using my rhinestone glue. think that's good enough, and I will be curing. Okay, I was wondering if I should put like chrome powder on top of this, so I'm gonna try this out. Okay, so this is with chrome powder, this is without, and I think I like it to have some chrome powder as well on top, so I'm just gonna do this real quick. And now I'm just gonna put some top coat over it again. Okay, and I will be curing. Right, now I'm gonna be doing the pointer finger. Apply some blooming gel. And I think I'm just gonna be using my dotting tool to apply the color. Okay, I feel like you have to work really fast. So I think I might have to do that in like 2 layers, if that makes sense. I'm gonna take this off. Okay, let's spread it out a little bit. I think I like that way more, and now I will be curing. I changed that again, and I did it off camera because it's just sometimes easier to do it quick off camera. But I'm gonna be top coating this real quick. I don't know why I always like pick designs that are a little bit more difficult on my right hand, because like I'm not a lefty and working with my left hand is always like a challenge. But you know, practice is key in getting better. It's been like an hour or something. I've been working on this nail. Like I tried to do the Aurora ombre, whatever it is, effect. It just didn't work out at all. I don't have like the tools I need. I don't have an airbrush, and I didn't have the sponges. The beauty blender did not work at all. I tried something else, but it did not work as well. So I was like, all right, let me just do the dark purple French tip with the star chrome. So I'm just gonna do this now to this finger and to that finger as well. Okay, and now I'm gonna be doing the star. Okay, now I'm just gonna go over with some top coat. Okay, and I will be curing. Okay, now I'm gonna be doing the 3D art on the pinky. And here are the finished nails. I actually love how these turned out. I really like this here on the bottom. This nail set took a lot of nerves. I'm not gonna lie, I've been sitting all day to create these nails, and I was just so frustrated because a lot of things weren't working, and just working with chrome powder in general is so hard. They didn't come out perfect, but I still like them. I love the purple design. And yeah, these kind of look like little fireworks, so I guess you can count it as like a New Year's Eve nail set. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you guys think, and happy new year. Bye.